Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to Mathematics 6. This time we're going to discuss about the addition of integers using chips. So let's go. So let's have zeros exercises. We're going to find the answer of the following question. Question number 1. Give the opposite of the following. Opposite of negative 4. The answer is correct. The answer is 4. How about question number 2? The opposite of 15? The answer is negative 15. Very good. How about the opposite of Ronels earn 5,000? Correct. The answer is Ronels lost 5,000. And then, number 4, we have 20 degree below 0. Therefore, the opposite of 20 degree below 0, the answer is 20 degree above 0. And then, question number 5, 22 meter below sea level. The opposite is 22 meter above sea level. Now, let's have some vocabulary words for this day. So, give the antonym word of the following. We have above. The antonym word for above is correct. The answer is below. How about the antonym word for right? The answer is correct. Wrong or left. And then, question number 3, earned. The answer is lost. And then, question number 4, upward. The answer is correct. Downward. And lastly, we have increase. The opposite is decrease. Okay, so all these words we tackled last time. It's all about the below, wrong, loss, downward, decrease. It's all about negative numbers. And then we have the positive, right, earn, upward, increase. This would be for the positive numbers. These are the phrases used for negative and the positive numbers. Okay? Now, let's have our problem of the day. The Pag-asa weather forecast stated that the temperature in Valenzuela City was 23 degrees in the morning. In the afternoon, the temperature rises to 6 degrees Celsius. What was the afternoon temperature? As you can see, we have this illustration using the temperature or thermometer. It rises 6 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. Let's analyze the problem. What is asked in the problem? Correct. The answer is the temperature in the afternoon. And then the given are correct. We have 23 degrees Celsius in the morning and it rises 6 degrees more in the afternoon. And then, what should be the operation to be used? Correct. The operation to be used is addition because of the clue word rises. And then, what should be the correct number sentence? The correct number sentence is n is equal to 23 plus 6, where n is the number of temperature. Now, let's have the solution proper. N is equal to 23 plus 6. Basically, we need it by adding 23 plus 6. You already know the answer. By using the chip models approach, we have 23 degrees Celsius. This associated with these 23 yellow square chips. And then another 6 square yellow chips. Therefore, if I add all the yellow chips, therefore the answer must be 29 degrees Celsius in the afternoon. But as you can see, I already introduced this line graph. We have the number to the right of 0, or the left of 0 is what we call the negative numbers. And then the number to the right of 0 is the positive numbers. And then 0 is a neutral number. if I add negative 1, so this would be for the red square chips, and for the positive square chips is the yellow chips. If I add negative 1 and positive 1, therefore this would be the this would be the zero pair, what we call the zero pair. If I combine negative 1 plus 1, therefore the answer is 0. This is what we call the zero pair. It's a combination of negative 1 plus 1. Now, let's have some example to further analyze how to add an integers with using the chip models. Let's have example number 1. We have positive 4 plus 2. As you can see, the sign of positive 4 and and 2 are positive. Then, these are like sign. So, let's visualize this one. So, positive, both of them are positive. So, the first number is 4. Then, let's associate this one with 4 yellow chips. And then, the second number is 2. This will be positive. Therefore, we have 2 yellow chips. If I combine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, the final answer, if I add positive 4 plus positive 2, the answer is positive 6. Okay? Okay, sample number 2. Again, we have negative 4 plus 2. As you can see, the numbers are both negative. So, they are again like signs. So, let's illustrate the two numbers. The first number is negative 4. Let's associate this one with red circle chips. So, we have 4 circle chips to visualize negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4. And then we have the second number. We have negative 3. 1, 2, 3. We have now, all in all, we have 7 negative chips. Okay? Now, let's have example number 3. So, negative 5 plus positive 2. As you observe, the sign of two numbers are correct. The sign of the two numbers are a like sign. Therefore, let's visualize this one to answer. So, the first number is negative 5. So, we have 5 circle red chips. And then we have the second number is positive 2. We have now 2 yellow circle chips. As we observe, we have a negative 1 and also a positive 1. This is what we call the zero pair. We have now the first zero pair, the second zero pair. We have 2 zero pair. Therefore, the chips left are 3 negative circle chips. Therefore, the final answer is negative 3. Okay? So, if the sign of the two numbers are unlike sign, find some zero pair. Okay? Now, example number 4, we have positive 6 plus negative 4. As we observe, again, this would be unlike sign. So, let's visualize. The first number is 6. Therefore, we have 6 yellow chips for positive number. And then the second number is negative 4. We have 4 circle red chips. So, as we observe, we have how many zero pair? Correct. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 zero pair. Therefore, the answer must be correct. The answer is positive 2. Okay? If I add positive 6 plus negative 4, therefore, the answer is positive 2. Okay? Now, let's have some practice. Solve the following integers and write only the letter of the correct answer. You may comment down your answer in our comment section below. Okay? Now, question number 1. What equation is shown by the tiles below? This would be for the positive, and this 1, and this would be for the negative 1. Now, we have this illustration. What do you think is the answer? Write it down your answer. Now, question number 2. Which equation is illustrated by the figure below? This would be the figure. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negative chips, and we have 2 positive chips. Therefore, is it A, negative 3 minus 2 is equal to negative 5? B is equal to negative 5 minus 2 is equal to negative 7? Or C, negative 5 plus 2 is equal to negative 3? Or D, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5? Comment down your answer. Number 3, solve 6 plus negative 10. Is it negative 4? Or B, 3? Or C, negative 2? Or D, negative 5? Comment down your answer, grade 6 pupils. Question number 4. Solve negative 12 plus negative 3. Observe the sign. Is there any zero pair if I combine both negative? Or I will combine negative 12 and negative 3 because they are both like sign. What should be the answer? A, negative 5, B, 10, C, negative 15, or D, 20? Comment down your answer, grade 6 pupils. And for question number 5, the temperature in Baguio City was 18 degrees Celsius in the morning. It dropped to 4 degrees Celsius in the evening. What was the temperature in the evening? Analyze the problem, grade 6 pupils. What should be the operation to be used in order to find the answer? Is it letter A, 11 degrees Celsius? Or B, 12 degrees Celsius? Or letter C, 13 degrees Celsius? Or letter D, 14 degrees Celsius? Comment on your answer. Okay, time is up. Now let's check your answer. For question number 1, the answer must be letter C, because we have 5 positive chips. This would be 5 plus 2 negative chips. Therefore, the answer must be 3. Okay? Question number 2. The correct answer must be letter C. We have positive and negative 5 plus positive 2. Therefore, the answer is negative 3. Okay, question number 3. The remaining chips must be 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 4. Therefore, the answer is letter A. And question number 4, 12, negative 12 plus negative 3. Since they are both like sign, I will combine 12 plus negative 3. The answer is negative 15. And then question number 5, the answer must be correct. The answer must be 14 degrees Celsius. Why? It drops, meaning to say I will subtract 18 minus 4. The answer is 14 degrees Celsius. I hope you get all the correct answer, grade 6 pupils. Okay? So, that's all for today. Thank you and God bless everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.